check this one, guys. This one ito error. So he said this communication is good. Communication wire is good, he said. But this one is no, not same color. This one is the same. The one is a yellow down. This one yellow and blue. PCB maybe damage. Because of wrong connection. We bring the another PCB. This one, the communication PCB. Temporary only, guys. We're not fix the PCB. See the PCB 00 or 00. We replace this one, the communication PCB. This is the new one, old one. So the history of this unit, guys, the indoor fuse is blown. So also the make wrong connection, and also the communication PCB is also damaged. Maybe make a connection, wrong connection for this PQE. So that's why also the communication damage. So we will wait 5 minutes, then if the compressor is working. Okay guys, this is already the indoor unit. So 1 means indoor unit. So we will wait until 0. Then if after 0, we run again the output. So almost 3 minutes. 1 minute for the 1 before 0. Then coming 1 minute. Then 1 is coming 0 again. 0 after 0 make 3 minutes. Then the compressor working and the fan working. The compressor and the fan first working, then the compressor working. So you see this one guys, the installer not return the cover of the access valve. So is 0 coming guys. Is 0 now. We will get the punch working. So before guys, as E2 error coming, E2 it means the communication problem from this one. So we check this one. This one also this one not fixed, wrong connection. This one the two same color. So it will work. You can see guys, now it's working. You see the fan is working now. And also this one's working. We check the compressor. Now is compressor working. Let's see. Now it's working guys. Okay guys. So we need to return the PCB after this one, because we need to confirm the PCB damage also.